Hi fam, I'm Miss D and I'm here to keep you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. So today we're going to do the Tamia line dance, commonly known as the Can't Get Enough. It's a four-wall dance. It's only 2 counts of 8, but there's a lot of steps on the and beats. So that's what makes it tricky, but that's what makes it sexy. So let's start. All right, I'm going to turn around to make it easy to follow. This is my right, this is my left. We're going to start with the first count of 8. All right. So it starts right, left, right, left. Just a simple rock. Right, left, right, left. We all got this part, right? Let's count it out. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay. From here, we're going to cross 5. Step over with your right, step over your left, step back with the left, and then step back with the right. So we just went cross, back, back. Okay? So we went rock and rock, cross, back, back. Okay? That's the beat. So let's count it out. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Okay? All right? So from here, we just went 5 and 6. We're getting ready to weave. So we're taking off with our left. We're going to cross over our right. All right, cross in the front, step out, cross in the back, step out, cross in the front. Okay? That's the weave. That's the hard part. One of the hard parts. So we just went cross, back, back, cross front, out, cross back, out, cross front. Okay? So let's count it. So we just went 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay? That's the count. So let's do this. Let's put the full count, first count of 8 together. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay? All right. First count of 8. Halfway done. All right. Second count of 8 begins. Okay, we're here. So you're going to step out on your right. You're going to lean, put your weight on that right leg, lean, then step left, then cross. Okay? So it's lean, step, cross. Okay? Lean, step, cross. And then do it on the other side. Lean, step, cross. Okay? So we just ended here. We just did our weave, ended here. We're going to go lean, step, cross, lean, step, cross. Okay? I'm going to count it for you. So we ended here with the weave. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay? So let's do all of that up into and include the weaves. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Cross, back, back, cross front, out, cross back, out, cross front, and lean and cross and lean and cross. Okay? 4 counts left, guys. That's it. All right. So we just did our leans. We did lean and lean. Okay, we're going to do one more lean, but then we're going to weave to the left. So we're going to lean and cross front, out, cross back, out, and cross to the front. Okay? So we just went lean and lean. One more lean. Lean. Now start to weave. Cross front, back, cross back, out, cross front. Let's try it again. All right? Lean and lean. Lean, cross front, out, cross back, out, and front. Okay? Let's count it. All right? 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? Try it again. 5, 6, 7, lean. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? All right, now the turn. So it's a 3/4 turn. We just landed here on 8. We're going to do a 3/4 turn, which means we're going to end facing this way. Now, how do you know which way to face? Wherever your body is, the right side of your body, right? This side, wherever it is, that's where you're going to turn. So we're here on 8, do a 3/4 turn on the and we end up here. Do the dance. It's time to turn. Here's my right of my body. A crossover, 8, and I'm ready to go. Do the whole dance. It's time to cross again. My right side of my body, 8, 3/4 turn, and. Same thing. Do it. Ready to go. Ready to turn. We're here. There's the right side of my body. Crossover, 8, and we're ready to go. Okay? All right. So let us start with the leans, and then we'll put the 2 counts together. All right? 5, 6. Get ready to lean. Lean and cross. Lean and cross. Lean and cross front, back, cross back. I'm sorry. Start it. Ready? 5, 6. Get ready to lean. Lean and cross. Lean and cross. Lean and cross front, out, cross back, out, cross front, and turn. Okay? All right. So let's do both counts together. We'll do it slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and rock. And rock. Cross back, back, cross front, out, cross back, out, cross front, and lean. Cross and lean and cross, lean and cross front, out, cross back, out, and turn around. That's it. All right, let's do it one more time. I'll count it out for you, and then we'll be done. Ready? All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That is the dance. So if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and I will bring you more instructional videos. I'll bring you what I got. I want you to get ready for that day party, for that birthday party, whatever it is. I'm here for you. See you next time.